Our runs have been okay. We've been just kind of taking it slow. We're trying to catch back up, actually. We just got back into the game, like, a week ago. After not playing since, like, November, maybe? But it's nice to meet you. Thank you so much for the follow and for the raid. I really appreciate it. For anyone here that's new, my name is Seto. My friends call me Shiba, Shibi or Sheeb. Seto works just fine too. I do play a variety of games on my channel. My main core at the moment is Final Fantasy XIV, Marvel Rivals, and now Monster Hunter again. But we do play a lot of Souls-like games on here and roguelike games as well. We do love co-op as well too. I'm also a huge Pokemon nerd. But what do you play in this stream? What do you normally play? I would like to know. Also, if you do need to raid and run, don't let me hold you up, but I would like to talk to you and get to know you a little bit. Thank you so much for the lurk, and thank you so much for the raid. I hope you enjoy your meal. I am trying to...
Fight for your life?
Yes. How do you feel with the, that hunting going this time?
Better.
Better, right?
Yeah.
I gotta learn to attack his wounds faster on this one, but he heals so fast on Arc Temper, that just makes it difficult. Remember to sharpen.
Yeah, doing that right
Who's he
now.
fighting over there? Oh, Rathalos. Oh crap, I didn't mount. Thank God they were right there. Ooh, get up. I can't see. Heal this.
What? What? No, let me go.
You don't have anything to shoot him? There you go.
No.
Go grab something. Go grab like Worm's Bane on the ground. Oh God! I'm stunned. I'm probably dead here. Yeah, I'm probably dead here.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Ooh.
Okay. Hold on, I need to check out Moon's profile real quick and give him a follow back as well.
I'm stunned now.
Oh God, I love their mom. So cute. Alright, I'm following them. Actually, really like their design a lot. Plus cows are cute. Alright, let me see. I'm coming back. I'm just gonna restock. Actually, I didn't even use that many potions. I died too quickly. I'm coming back though. I will have rations. Stamp. Wait, did I follow? Did I follow? There you go. I did follow, right? Yeah, alright, cool. Just gonna make sure. Did you grab a